My name is Samra and I'm from Leamington Spa. I work as a general practitioner there in Leamington town. I got a train from there. It was easier than I thought. I initially was planning to drive to London, but then I thought, okay, train might be a better idea. It's going fantastic. I think we've done all the theory bits, the e-learning things that we've gained from the course modules in the morning, just like a refresh up, and we've seen a patient as well, like when they are getting all their fillers and Botox, which has been fabulous, like to observe. And then we are really looking forward to, have some hands-on experience in the afternoon after the lunch. I did some searching online and I found that the Harley Academy is giving the opportunity for practical training days, which was really good because my background, I'm passionate about dermatology. I did a diploma and then I wanted to further brush up my skills on aesthetics. Yeah, definitely. I'm really looking forward to my further journey with Harley Academy as well, with my 2 further observation and co-training practical days. And I feel that they are doing a great job in introducing all the practical training bits to all us who are interested in aesthetics as a career.